According to the EPA, daily residential outdoor water use across the United States accounts for nearly 8 billion gallons of water, and it's mainly for landscape irrigation. USU's Extension Water Check program is designed to scrutinize those irrigation systems to find any issues and any inefficiencies that could lead to excess water use.
They do a walkthrough of the property, and that walkthrough is a very extensive evaluation of both the irrigation system as well as the landscape itself. And that's where we identify particular problems that we then share with the property manager or homeowner so that they can make repairs and improvements.
However, until recently, it was a bit unclear just how much water savings these checks helped to promote, largely due to a lack of technology at the time.
There are studies that tried to evaluate how programs like Water Check did by using the billing data. The problem with the billing data is these are coarse data sets. They are for the entire water use, but they couldn't differentiate between outdoors and indoors.
But now, Mahmoud and USU researcher David Rosenberg are working with the Water Check program to determine those water savings. And they're doing this by using water monitors called Flume devices that take data at 5-second intervals.
It allows us to actually do three really cool things. So first is we can just see what the volume of reduction is. We can see when those irrigation events start. We can see what their duration is. We can see the frequency, the timing of when they occur. And we can see that behavior change before the water check and after the water check.
In looking at this data, what they found was that through these water checks, when people were told about inefficiencies or excess watering, they tended to fix those issues, reduce their usage, and save water.
We started with 78 households, but we finished up with 59 households from Hyde Park and Logan. And what we saw was they saved, during that study period, 1.9 acre-feet of water, which is closer to 700,000 gallons of water, or 2 football fields with 1 feet deep water.
So this research has shown 20 to 30% savings following participation in a water check, and that's consistent with analyses we've done previously. So for me, this has been very confirming of what we're doing, and 20 to 30% is a significant amount of water savings when you consider, for example, that the state's goals for its citizens are 25% water savings. So it's very gratifying with the Water Check program to be able to say that we can help achieve that savings for the state.